Today, I'm going to be sharing everything you need on how to go on budget friendly dates, perfect for those with limited money or trying to develop better spending habits. Now, really quickly, if you are a curious person such as myself and would love to learn at least one new fact each day, whether it is to enhance your personal relationships, finance, professional life, health, and much more, you have come to the right place. Cheap or Free Date Night Ideas for Couples by Kevin Tucker offers a variety of creative and budget-friendly suggestions for couples looking to strengthen their relationship without spending much money. Here are some key lessons from the book. 1. Creativity over cost. The book emphasizes that memorable experiences do not have to be expensive. It encourages couples to think creatively about their time together. 2. Quality time. The focus is on the importance of spending quality time with each other, regardless of the activity. Engaging in conversation and connecting emotionally is highlighted as more valuable than lavish outings. 3. Variety of activities. Tucker provides a diverse range of activities, from outdoor adventures to cozy nights in, ensuring there's something for every couple's interests. 4. Planning together. The book encourages couples to plan their date nights together, fostering teamwork and communication in the relationship. 5. Utilizing resources. It suggests utilizing local resources such as parks, libraries, and community events to find free or low-cost activities. 6. Making memories. The idea of creating lasting memories through shared experiences, no matter how simple, is a recurring theme. 7. Flexibility and spontaneity. The book also promotes being flexible and spontaneous, as some of the best moments can come from unplanned activities. Here are some free community events that couples can enjoy together. 1. Outdoor movie nights. Many parks and community centers host free outdoor movie screenings during the summer months. 2. Concerts in the park. Local musicians often perform in public spaces, providing a relaxed atmosphere to enjoy live music. 3. Festivals and fairs. Community festivals, art fairs, and cultural celebrations often have free admission and various activities. 4. Farmers markets. Strolling through a farmers market can be a fun way to explore local produce and crafts, often with live entertainment. 5. Nature walks and hikes. Local nature trails and parks frequently offer organized walks or hikes led by volunteers or park rangers. 6. Art walks. Many cities have monthly art walks where galleries open their doors to the public, often featuring local artists. 7. Library events. Public libraries often host free workshops, readings, and movie nights that can be enjoyable for couples. Community classes. Look for free classes or workshops offered by community centers, such as dance, cooking, or crafting. 9. Volunteer opportunities. Volunteering together for a cause you both care about can be a rewarding way to spend time together. 10. Sports events. Local high school or college games often have free admission and can be a fun outing. Here are some cozy night-in activities that couples can enjoy together. 1. Movie marathon. Choose a theme, e.g. rom-coms, classic films, or a specific series, and binge watch together with popcorn and blankets. 2. Cooking together. Prepare a special dinner or bake some treats together. Try a new recipe or create a homemade pizza night. 3. Game night. Play board games, card games, or video games. You could even set up a tournament with fun prizes. 4. DIY spa night. Treat yourselves to a relaxing spa experience at home with face masks, massages, and soothing music. 5. Reading together. Pick a book to read aloud to each other, or enjoy some quiet time with your own books, followed by a discussion. 6. Puzzle night. Work on a jigsaw puzzle together, enjoying conversation and snacks as you piece it together. 7. Art and craft session. Get creative with painting, drawing, or crafting. You can follow online tutorials or just freestyle. 8. Stargazing. If you have access to a backyard or balcony, grab a blanket, some snacks, and enjoy stargazing together. 9. Indoor picnic. Set up a cozy picnic in your living room with blankets, pillows, and your favorite finger foods. 10. Listen to podcasts or music. Curate a playlist or find interesting podcasts to listen to while lounging together. To find a schedule of free community events online, you can use the following strategies. 1. Community websites. Check your local city or town's official website. Many municipalities have a calendar of events that includes free activities. 2. Social media. Follow local community groups and pages on platforms like Facebook. Many organizations promote free events through these channels. 3. Event platforms. Use websites like Eventbrite, Meetup, or local event aggregators. You can filter by location and price to find free events. 4. Library websites. Visit the websites of local public libraries, as they often host and promote free community events. 5. Local newspapers. Many community newspapers have online event calendars that list upcoming activities and events. 6. Community centers. Check the websites of local community centers or recreation departments, as they often offer free programs and events. 7. Tourism websites. Look at local tourism websites, which may include a calendar of events for residents and visitors alike. 8. Nextdoor. This neighborhood-focused social media platform can be helpful for discovering local events and activities shared by neighbors. 9. Local blogs and forums. Search for community blogs or forums that focus on local happenings. These often feature lists of events. 10. Google search. A simple search like free events in your city can yield useful results, including blogs, websites, and social media pages dedicated to local events. Now you need to watch John Maxwell's Ultimate Advice for Young People, or have a look at the secrets of resilient people.